at half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, after being sworn in as president, Donald Trump spoke about the current state of the government and his intentions during his second presidency. He also addressed the assassination attempt on his life in Pennsylvania. He also thanked the Black and Hispanic community for supporting him and vowed to make Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream come true. So my wisdom warriors, listen to this.
Begins right now. From this day forward, our country will flourish and be respected again all over the world. We will be the envy of every nation, and we will not allow ourselves to be taken advantage of any longer. During every single day of the Trump administration, I will very simply put America first. Our sovereignty will be reclaimed. Our safety will be restored. The scales of justice will be rebalanced. The vicious, violent, and unfair weaponization of the Justice Department and our government.
Moving along, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is probing a disturbance at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center in which an inmate was fatally stabbed on Friday. The deceased has been identified as Jermaine Rogers. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? An inmate has been fatally stabbed. Boy, Jano. If on a outer road, in a lockup, pure galangin zagwan. Mighty God. But me like how Indicom depend this, my wisdom warriors. When I say Indicom, they're very good. Indicom is very good. Indicom and IC, they're very good. Not like Mocha. Mocha work on the behalf of the government. Mocha work for Andrew. Anything Andrew tell them to do, that them do. Anything. Just like the police commissioner, Kevin Blake, him not care. Indicom come out and Indicom say, you have to wear body cam. Too much people is dying. Too much citizen is dying. On the security forces, I kill half the people them. Then get vexed. They no come out, and say them are going to find a solution. Them never have a solution yet. These people, never, my wisdom warriors. May I tell you now, they can't be trusted. Because when security forces, kill off the citizen them, and then remember, they are probed by Indicom. Indicom investigate them, not JCF. And if Indicom who do the investigation, I give you no advice. Give you no advice for wear body cam and una refuse it. What can I say? What can I say? Because remember in Jamaica, them are the one that do the investigation, the Indicom. And them are do the investigation. So then turn to the JCF and say, you know what here? Security forces are kill too much people. Last year they kill how much? And the start of the year 12 citizens die already. Please try and reduce this. You understand me? Wear body cam so we know what is going on. No, they refuse. So how can these people be trusted? Talk truth. How can these people be trusted, my wisdom warriors? Mighty God of Daniel, may I tell you now. Anyway, Indicom said them a probe the incident will take place in a prison. So if me get any more information, I will definitely update you guys. Anyway, me people wanna know say me always have the attack clubs over here. So me say me want to take in Dr. Daz because Dr. Daz beat them bad. When me say Dr. Daz beat them bad, Dr. Daz beat them bad, my wisdom warriors. Una have to see it. Una have to hear it, to believe it. My people, take in Dr. Daz.
The lady of the moment, Comrade Danishka, members of the platform, workers, warriors, foot soldiers, my comrades, good evening. Boy, I know some people are going to say, oh, Miss June's son gone to politics, gone mix up with Gaza, but I tell you this. Comrade Danishka used to work with us in Southeast. And I can tell you that over the years she helped us. She helped to carry home the 4 council seats that we had in the local government election. So she little and cute, but don't take her simple. Is a warrior that. And because of that, I am here tonight to support her. And we have a 1 bus loader from Gaza here to support her. Big up on herself in the place. Danishka not afraid of none of them. And I tell you this. Right now, when I look on the condition of the road driving through, we don't have a savior, but it seems like we don't need a savior. And that savior is no other than Danishka. So I am here, comrades, not just to support her, but we need this seat. And we need you to help her to take it home because we have to form the next government. Because Jamaica is headed down a track where poor people are suffer. People who are working are poor and they are suffering. I hear even labor rights supporters saying that them not get nothing off of the table is crumbs them getting because it's one set of man that scrape everything. But comrades, I sit and I listen to Comrade Fly talking about the stinking truth. But I have to tell you about one moly truth. The mold at Calderwood Health Center. How to deal with the moly? The health sector is a mess. And you are feeling it every day. All of us are feeling it. And we have a government that is built on PR. Boy, if them lock off the light, we are voting at the dark same way, you know. I tell you that, you know.
All right, comrades, there's a... Hold on, nice, please. There's an emergency. I hear that somebody faint in the crowd. If it's that area, raise your hands. Where the person faint, please. Which section? Dr. Dixon. Dr. Dixon. Wave your hands where the person faint, please. Dr. Dixon, come to the front. Down the back, behind the middle stage. Dr. Dixon, just head down there for me, please. Yeah.
We have enough doctor in a PNP, you know. Ajay, if you need help, you can call me or you can call Dayton anytime. Because we have a real doctor, we are not doctorate. And his name is not Dr. Wholeness. It's not one of them degree that we can call him doctor. Don't be fooled. But comrades, because of this PR government, every time I have spoken about the condition of the health sector, you hear that I created mischief. When I spoke about the ventilators, them said them have the ventilators and it took a child dying at Maypen Hospital for Jamaica to know that we have a problem with ventilators. When I spoke about ambulances not being roadworthy, they said it is not true. And it took a tourist dying at the Sangsters International Airport before they believed that there is a problem with ambulances in Jamaica. when I said that we have a problem with CT scans and MRIs. I hear a lot of boss in the house. Hold on now. But there's a
turn up the thing, turn up the thing, turn up the thing, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up.
If you want things to really get nice, now are the time to make the right choice. If you want things to really get nice, now are the time to make the right choice.
Now is the time, now is the hour, choose the MP5.
look here, now stop interrupt my speech, the man. I make them pull my shirt to the man. But there's a tragedy that unfolded at the Bustamante Hospital for Children the other day. And a big part of it is because we don't have an MRI or CT scans in the public health system. And it impacted on the entertainer and his team. But it can impact anybody in Jamaica. Because if you get a stroke, you cannot get a CT scan. If you're in an accident and you need a CT brain, you cannot get it. And yet they say that we are making mischief. But I have one thing to say because I have warned them about the ventilators. And we saw that coming. We saw the issues with the ambulance coming. We saw the issues with the doctors coming before there was a strike. We saw the issues with the CT scan. And now we are seeing the problem with the entire healthcare system collapsing. We see it coming and it has to stop. But one thing I see coming, comrades, I see a comet that is coming, and it is an orange comet, and it is going to wipe away the green man them and their peer government.
Me people, when me telling you say Dr. Das fling some big stone. Hey, boy, you better run, man. You better run. The comet is coming. And the comet are come to take over me people, my wisdom warriors, my Jamaican people, my PNP massive. Me want to like and share out this video. Me want to subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome my people. I want to know if you do me a favor. Run go over to my other channel. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend fi tell a friend. May I go put the link in my comment section. Alright? Blessings upon blessings. One love.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey, Gabby, what going on?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? Is that time?
Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me this? What about my neighbor?
Hey, me no say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent a broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Make the trumpets play.